Makarimose! Welcome to the Shona squad once again. Today we're learning how to ask and answer simple Shona questions.
So you can start real conversations with friends, family, and everyone you meet.
Exactly! Ko uri kupilia? Hello Ndiri kumba, ndava kutoya.
That means I am home, and I am about to come.
Leah says ava kutoya, meaning she is on her way. Great! Waita basa nekuya, wakadihako, Ndiri bo, ndatenda. Great job, Mia and Leah. Now you try. Say it with us. Ndiri bo, ndatenda. Ndiri bo, ndatenda. Ndiri bo ndatenda means I am fine. Thank you. Koimi mamukao sei mose?
Tamukas vakanaka kana wa mukao iwe?
Say it with us. Tamukas vakanaka kana wa mukao iwe. Tamukas vakanaka kana wa mukao iwe. That means we woke up well if you also woke up well.
Zita rako ndiani?
Zita rangu ndimia. Awesome! Zita rangu ndilia.
Zita rako ndiani means, what is your name?
What's your name? Tell us in Shona. Write it in the comments below.
Mia, izvozvi tiri kupi?
Tiri kuchikoro.
Izvozvi tiri kupi means, where are we now?
Remember, Mia could also have said tiri pachikoro, which also means we are at school.
If I were the only one here, I was going to say Ndiri pachikoro, which means I am at school.
Correct! Tari, unoita basare, dinoita basare kudzisa Shona. Dinoita basare kudzisa Shona means my job is to teach Shona.
Ini rangu basa ndere kutamba navu.
Wonderful, Olu! That means my job is playing soccer.
Unoita basare means, what do you do for work?
Now it's your turn.
Answer one question in Shona. And write it in the comments below.
Remember, every word you learn brings you closer to speaking Shona with confidence. Musares vakanaka, rambai mchizizane, the Shona squad! Wait, the next Shona lesson is even cooler. Please don't miss it. We appreciate your support. Please continue subscribing and grow with us. See you next time.